See, Baba, they say they come from Katsina. They all come work for Dangote refinery. Shebi? Dangote refinery. Say they won't come work for Dangote refinery. So we saw them this morning. They say they come from Katsina. This is Ibejileki, front of Dano, legal free zone. Kano, Katsina. Okay, you come now from Katsina. You come. Are you in Nigeria?
Yes.
Where are NIN? Where ID card? Let me see your ID card. NIN. Make I see. Wait, make I see now. Okay, this is your NIN.
Yes. Sai idan ka tafi kamar za ka je